A light magnitude 2.9 earthquake hit 51 kilometers, 32 miles, away from Twizel, Canterbury, New Zealand, in the afternoon of Friday, May 16, 2025 at 5:41 p.m. local time, GMT+12. The quake had a very shallow depth of 5 kilometers, 3.1 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, GeoNet, NZ, after 2 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.